Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. There is juice that can help treat gastritis. Here is a recipe from doctors. Most likely, in your whole life you have never drunk potato juice. Do you think that the taste should be terrible? Perhaps, however, what is useful, unfortunately, is not always delicious. Many medicinal things have an unpleasant taste. Although, the potato juice, which will be discussed, almost insipid, is very useful and is included in the diet of many diets. And that's why. Reduces acidity in the body. Potato juice can help balance the acid balance of the body, which is especially important for us, because many of the products we are familiar with negatively affect the body. Helps against gout. It reduces the level of uric acid and, consequently, after a while you can forget about gout. It struggles with inflammation. Potato juice can help with arthritis and other forms of inflammation, especially in joints and back pain. In addition, it stimulates blood circulation throughout the body. Refreshes and cleanses the skin. Potato juice has a soothing effect on the skin and even helps to cleanse it from acne. Helps to lose weight. To do this, you need to drink a cup of potato juice before breakfast and another 1 to 3 hours before bedtime. Clears the liver. Potato juice is useful for detoxification. It can also alleviate liver and gallbladder functioning if there are problems. For this, doctors advise drinking a cup of this juice in the morning on an empty stomach. Helps in the treatment of gastritis and ulcers. Experts say that you need to use a spoonful of potato juice, diluted with water, half an hour before breakfast, lunch and dinner. How to make juice. Potato juice is a wonderful medicine. Wash potatoes, peel it, remove all green parts and sprouts. You can use a juicer, or manually squeeze it with linen cloth. If you do not like his taste, you can always add quite a bit of lemon juice, carrot, apple juice or honey. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.